Welcome to Hobbyverse. Today let's dive into the world of macrame art by creating a beautiful macrame leaf. Here are the materials you will need. Take one piece of cord 45 cm long and fold it in half. This will be your base. Place it vertically in front of you. Cut 42 strands of macrame cord of 24 cm each. Take the 24 cm cord, fold it in half and place the folded end under the base cord. Take another piece of cord, fold it in half and place it over the base with loops facing each other. Pull the loose ends through the loops and tighten to create a knot. Repeat this process with more cords, placing them close together to cover the base cords. Once you've reached your desired leaf shape, comb the loose ends to create a more textured look. Make sure you are using a thin comb or brush for fringing the loose ends. Start combing from the loose ends and then move towards the base. Once the fringing is done, give the leaf its required shape using comb and gentle hands. Take the mixture of glue and water to stiff the fringes. Apply the mixture well to the one side of the leaf using a brush. Repeat the same process on the other side of the leaf as well. Let it dry completely. It will take 4 to 5 hours to become stiff. Take a piece of sheet and cut it into the shape of your desired leaf. Apply glue on the middle of the leaf. Apply glue on one side of the paper sheet. Stick the sheet carefully on the leaf and let it dry. Once the glue dries, the leaf is ready to give its final shape. The base of the sheet provides a rigid base to the leaf as well as helps in trimming long leaves. With the help of sharp scissors, cut the uneven ends around the sheet for a polished look. Here is your macrame leaf ready. You can attach your leaf to a natural dried wooden stick or a dowel and hang it as a decorative item by making a loop at the top of base cord, or you can attach it to other macrame projects or crafts. If you've fallen in love with these exquisite macrame creations, you can find more stunning pieces on the Instagram page mentioned on the screen for a closer look and a chance to buy your favorite designs. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.